Hello, we are here at the Denago Experience Center to present a video installation of the Denago Cruiser model bike. This process will be the same for step-through or top tube models. Let's get started. Assembly step 1. Locate the quilled stem and headset cap. Slide the headset cap onto the headset and insert the quilled part of the stem into the steer tube. Secure and tighten using your Denago Allen wrench. Next, remove the 2 bolts and the faceplate on the front of the stem. Place the handlebar in the opening, return the faceplate and 2 bolts, align bar left to right in position, and secure and tighten both bolts evenly with your Denago Allen wrench. Step 2. Front wheel installation. Remove the black plastic disc on the front wheel. Note, sometimes the front axle nut gets stuck in here. If missing, look here first. Next, remove the front yellow disc block. Grab your front wheel, lift the front end of the bike, and slide the wheel while lowering the bike and fork onto the wheel, aligning the axle and dropouts. Make sure the washers are on the outside of the fork blades. You must align both the wheel and the disc rotor into the disc brake. Secure and tighten the axle nuts using your Denago wrench. Step 3. Open the seat clamp up and remove the seat. Grab the small pouch of grease that came with the small parts box and open. Apply a small amount of grease to the seat tube. Insert the seat to ensure it's always inserted below the minimum insertion mark. Secure quickly seat clamp. Add rear reflector to seat post. Step 4. Grab your pedals from the small parts box. Apply grease to the threads. Each pedal and each side of the crank is marked with a matching sticker. Grab the R pedal and go to the right side or drive side. The right side pedal threads on clockwise or traditional threading. Secure and tighten with Denago pedal wrench. Grab the L pedal and go to the left side, the non-drive side of your bike. The left side pedal threads on counterclockwise. Hold pedal and spin crank backwards. Secure and tighten with the Denago pedal wrench. Step 5. Feed the fender from back of the bike to front through the fork. Next, secure the support arms on both sides of the fenders. There are brackets on the bottom of the forks to secure.